The dawn of the internet has revolutionized how we work, live, and earn. As the online economy continues to gain momentum, individuals and businesses have an unprecedented opportunity to prosper. This video delves into various online earning platforms and opportunities, personal branding, networking, adapting to changing trends, and overcoming potential challenges. Get ready to be surprised by the limitless possibilities of thriving in the new age of earning. A world of opportunities and strategies for success. 1. Diverse online earning platforms and opportunities. The online economy offers a plethora of earning avenues, including freelancing, e-commerce, content creation, blogging, affiliate marketing, online tutoring, and more. To succeed, identify your strengths, interests, and market demand, then select the platforms that best suit your needs. Examples include Fiverr and Upwork for freelancing, Etsy and Amazon for e-commerce, and YouTube and Twitch for content creation. 2. Building a personal brand and online presence. Establishing a unique personal brand is essential for standing out in the crowded online space. Start by identifying your niche and crafting a compelling story that highlights your skills and values. Create high-quality, consistent content that showcases your expertise and engages your target audience. Utilize social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter to amplify your reach and build a loyal community. 3. Networking and collaboration in the online economy. Networking is crucial for growing your online presence and discovering new opportunities. Attend virtual conferences, webinars, and meetups to connect with like-minded professionals. Collaborate with industry influencers and peers to co-create content or share expertise. Networking and collaboration not only expand your reach but also foster innovation and continuous learning. 4. Adapting to changing trends and emerging technologies. The online landscape is ever-evolving, and staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies is vital for success. Subscribe to industry newsletters, follow influential thought leaders, and participate in online forums to stay informed. Embrace automation tools, artificial intelligence, and other emerging technologies to streamline processes and stay ahead of the curve. Overcoming challenges and embracing the future. The online economy offers immense potential but also presents challenges and pitfalls. Cybersecurity threats, intense competition, and the need to stay relevant can be daunting. To overcome these obstacles, adopt a growth mindset, invest in continuous learning, and prioritize your mental and emotional well-being. In conclusion, thriving in the new age of earning requires a combination of identifying the right opportunities, building a strong personal brand, networking, and staying current with emerging trends. Embrace the digital revolution and unlock the door to a world of limitless possibilities, personal growth, and financial success.